Hey, I'm Timotha Lanae, indie artist, alkaline detox coach, and a mom. And if you're a vegan or transitioning into a vegan alkaline lifestyle, but you love cheese, don't miss my alkaline dairy-free vegan cheese recipe. It's easy to make, it's delicious, and it uses my favorite superfood, sea moss. That's right, y'all. No tapioca starch, no nutritional yeast, nuts, or nut milks, just some gold sea moss and a few other simple alkaline ingredients from Dr. Sebi's recommended food list. I'll also be sharing a special discount code for the sea moss that I used to make this vegan cheese, and the code will get you 15% off your gold sea moss purchase. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss all this creamy deliciousness. Also, make sure to check out the other healthy recipes on my channel because a couple of them will be included in this cheese recipe. The recipe premieres Friday, August 28th, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you in the kitchen.